Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez is not the first city mayor who received vaccination against COVID-19. Romualdez got his Sinovac shot on March 22. A week before that, Legazpi City Mayor Noel Rosal got publicly vaccinated at the Legazpi City Convention Center. Rosal said he did it to allay the fears of people on receiving the COVID vaccine. During the process, Rosal revealed his blood pressure rose. Rosal took the vaccine with Dr. Fulbert Alec Gallego, Legazpi's city health officer. When asked why he was the first to receive the vaccine, Rosal had earlier said the city has earmarked 200 million pesos for the purchase of vaccines to inoculate Legazpi's 130,000 residents.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.